This cordless 7-tool combo kit features DEWALT cordless tools including one 1/2-inch drill, driver, reciprocating saw, 6.5-inch circular saw, brushless oscillating multi-tool, 1/4-inch impact driver, 5-inch random orbit sander, Bluetooth speaker, 20 volts max 2.0 Ah battery, 20 volts max 4.0 Ah battery, charger, and bag. The DCS393 Circular Saw with a 6.5-inch carbide blade can cut 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. The DCS381 Reciprocating Saw with a keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade changes. The DCD771 Drill driver has a high-speed transmission with 2 speeds, 0 to 450 and 1,500 revolutions per minute, for a range of fastening and drilling applications. The DCF885 Impact Driver is equipped with 3 LEDs that have a 20-second delay after the trigger is released for increased visibility. The DCR066 Bluetooth speaker has up to 100 feet of reception and works with both 20 volts max and 12 volts max batteries. The DCW210 Random Orbit Sander in the DEWALT toolkit has a variable speed dial with speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM for a variety of applications. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DCD771 Drill driver in the cordless drill combo kit is compact, front to back, and lightweight, designed to fit into tight areas. Number 2. DCD771 cordless drill driver in the cordless tools combo kit has a high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts out (UWO) of power for completing a wide range of applications. Number 3. DCS885 cordless impact driver of the drill impact driver combo kit has a compact design, 5.55-inch front to back, to fit into tight areas. Number 4. DCS381 cordless reciprocating saw with keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade change without touching the blade or reciprocating shaft. Number 5. DCS393 cordless circular saw with 6.5-inch carbide blade can cut 2x4s at a 45-degree angle in a single pass. Number 6. DCW210 cordless random orbit sander has variable speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM to match the speed to the application. Number 7. DCS366 cordless oscillating multi-tool 3-speed selector allows users to choose their speed setting based on application. Number 8. DCR066 Bluetooth speaker runs off DEWALT 12V 20 volts max battery packs. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.